Hi everybody, this is Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Here's the painting from my last video. It's not quite dry. It's still wet in the middle, but I wanted to show you. It turned out so pretty. I kept most of the design of the colander pour, lost a little bit of the center, but it turned out really pretty. I really love it. So on with the next. Today, I think I'm going to be doing, just on this 8x10 canvas, I have leftover paint from other pours. I know there's some Artist Loft, cerulean blue, violet, there's 14 karat gold Deco art in there, white, and I don't know what else. But I'm going to be using this just like a dirty pour, and then I'm going to be using the treadmill spot on silicone to do a chameleon pour. I'm going to be using this big comb, sorry about that, to apply the silicone after I pour. So let's get on with it and see what happens. So I'm just going to pour this out on the canvas. Oops, get that off of there. Just like that. Get my rag out of the way. Awful lot of white in there. We're going to have a very white painting. Some of this blue back up on here. I can get it to come back down, so we'll have some more blue in here. Covered the edges pretty good, at least. More white than what I thought. So pretty. My hands wiped off. I'm going to put some treadmill silicone in a plate. Just like that. I'm going to dip the comb in it. And then try to make some kind of design. See what happens. think it would have worked out better if we had more color in it. Looks pretty good. Like I said, I wish it had more color to it instead of all the white. Maybe they'll develop a little bit more over time. That one doesn't want to show up very well. I'm going to give it a little bit of a torch. And I think that's going to be it. Short and sweet today. Maybe those will show up better after a little bit. So if you stick around for my next video, then I'll show you the results. Please like, share, and please subscribe. I'm still trying to get my subscribers numbers up. I would love it if you'd share all with your friends and family. And always, please have a great day. Thanks for watching.